If you're thinking about replacing your roof, this is one video you don't want to miss. A roof isn't just shingles nailed to wood. It's a system that protects your home, your family, and your biggest investment. Today, I'm going to walk you through the right way a roof should be installed, the steps that should be taken to protect your property, and the 5 most important questions that you need to ask before you choose your roofing contractor. Wait to the end for a bonus. First things first, a professional roofing contractor should protect your garage door, your AC, your siding, your windows, your gutters. Catch-all tarp system is a specially designed tarp system for roofing debris. This keeps nails, debris, and sharp objects from destroying your landscaping. Your shrubs should be draped off, your driveway should be protected, and your air conditioner should be covered before they begin so your property looks just as good as when it started. The AC unit should get its own protective barrier so it doesn't get crushed, the fan or the motor doesn't get disrupted when all of that debris comes off. At the end of the job, magnets should be run twice, once immediately after the tear off and again after final cleanup. Kids' feet, dogs' feet, and your car's feet, your tires, will all get nails in them if the nails aren't cleaned up properly. And last but not least, the gutters need to be blown out so that they're clean and draining properly when the first storm hits. Now let's talk installation. Installing shingles isn't guesswork. Every manufacturer pushes strict specifications on how they should be installed, and if those specs are not followed, your warranty could be void right off the bat. Proper nail placement, proper nail count, correct starter strip, and ice and water in your valleys. You gotta follow ridge vent requirements, and flashing and counter flashing should all be done correctly. If shortcuts are taken here, you're not gonna see it until it's too late. Leaks, mold, and then warranty claims when that company's out of business. Always demand that your roof is installed to manufacturer specifications. Now, what you've been waiting for, the 5 most important questions that you need to ask your contractor before you sign the contract. Good roofers will have solid answers. Shady roofer will stumble. So number 1, do your crews follow OSHA standards? Will they be harnessed off? If they cut corners on safety, they will cut corners on your roof as well. Number 2, will there be a project supervisor there that understands your language so that you can communicate clearly if there is an issue that you would like addressed? Or are they just going to drop off a crew with 0 oversight? Number 3, how will you protect my air conditioner and my air conditioner lines? There are freon lines that can get disrupted if the roofers don't know what they're doing and proper precautions are not taken. On number 4, this is a big one. How many years has your company been operating under this DBA, this LLC that you are trying to sell me a roof through right now? The reason I ask this is because a lot of roofing companies will start for a while, they will mismanage their finances, then they'll go out of business and start a new business. And when they answer the question, look it up and verify that what they're telling you is the truth, because you can look up any company's records on your county's website. Unfortunately, I've heard it a million times, fly-by-night roofers change their names with every storm, so it's very important that you do your due diligence. And number 5, an important one, but one that will easily be missed by most roofers out there, how much net free area does my roof require for both intake and exhaust on my ventilation system? The reason why that's important is because proper ventilation will cool your roof down. It will keep your attic dry, and most importantly, it will keep your warranty intact. Little known fact, if you don't ventilate your roofing system properly, then manufacturer can deny your claim, even if it's a legitimate claim, because you didn't ventilate your attic properly. I told you to wait for a bonus. Here we are. Bonus questions you can ask your roofing contractor. Do you know what a catch-all is? How many times do you think you should run a magnet? Do you provide written proof that you will follow the manufacturer's specifications to a T? This one will get them. The underlayment, is it supposed to be over the drip edge or underneath the drip edge? It's a trick question. On the rakes and gables, underneath the drip edge. On the eaves, over the drip edge. The right roofer will not get offended. The right roofer will be prepared for these questions and will be able to show you answers immediately. Quick little side tip, if your roofing contractor cannot provide references, that's a major red flag. Of course, you know the basics. Always check the BBB and Google to see how many 5-star reviews they have or how many complaints they have. So there you go. That is how roofs should be installed and how you can check to see if your contractor is the real deal. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, like, comment any questions you have, but most importantly, help us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers so we can keep pumping out valuable content for people like you. And remember, a roof is not just shingles, it is your shield, so make sure it's built the right way.
Like and subscribe.